So it's Saturday the 25th of July and us village people are on our way to Snowdon road tripping again. Thoughts, guys?
Buzzing! We're gonna get this rock and rolling.
Yeah. We're all excited. Car park.
Hello.
Caught the bus in from near Long Terrace. Yeah, the start of the track. Let's go. So we've been walking up the pig track now for about 45 minutes to an hour and we're completely in the clouds. So we're just on a bit of the track now and it's literally like a river running down the path.
Came from the gods itself.
You okay? Yeah.
Funky dory.
Cool. I just wanted to say I'm having a really nice time with Ryan and Narelle at climbing Snowdon and we've just had a little mini photo shoot with this view. Not far now. Well done. Well done both of you. First time you made it. Just the key for the topper scope. There we are, highest point. Made it! Made it! So we're just making our way down in the cloud now, and we're going to find a lunch stop to have a bit of lunch, and yeah, and then we'll head back down.
The right way.
So we're just down by the lake now, back to the lake, and going back to the car park along the miners' track, and that behind us is all what we climbed, all in the cloud. So our little, well, say little, our big Snowdon hike is coming to an end now. We're nearly back at the car park. So I just thought I'd do a quick summary of the day. I've had a really nice day with these two, and I'm really pleased and proud of them to climbing Snowdon for the first time. What did you think of today, guys?
Well, I've learned two things. One, Snowdon is stunning. Definitely doing it again. And also, when a friend of yours tells you to wear small socks and large socks at the same time to avoid blisters, they are wrong. Isn't that right, Laurel?
I've learned that people lie. People say that it's 20 minutes to the top, and it's not. It's really not.
Thumbs up for Snowdon today.